Devontae, this is Daniel. How can I help you?
What's going on, Daniel? So, we got another problem, right? I don't know if you was aware, like before I had a problem where the O-ring by the steering box broke and I started leaking a lot of power steering fluid. This was a while back.
Nope.
But
Nope. There's no.
Alright, so
Is it a maintenance issue, or are you safe? Are you okay?
yeah, I'm good. So I just spoke to the mechanic, right? Now,
Okay.
they can't fix the problem due to the fact they can't get to it, so I gotta take it to the dealership. That's one.
Okay.
Now the second thing is, that problem I had before, it was only because it's a recall on my pivot arm, the leaf springs, so everything gotta get changed. And he has the paper for me. I'm looking at it right now to prove that it's a recall on it.
Okay.
So
next step is take it to the dealer.
yeah, so do I have to set up an appointment, or can I just go straight there?
No. They set up an appointment. Have you? Let's see. Tell me what's happening. Are you at a shop right now? Because maintenance will be the one that sends you to a dealer.
So I'm at a Lowe's right now, cause yesterday what happened was the truck was smoking, right? So I had to stay overnight so they could look at it now or this morning.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much what happened.
Enterprises. If this is an actual emergency, please hang up and dial 911. For quality assurance purposes, your call may be monitored or recorded.
How you doing? This is Devontae speaking. Yo.
Your seatbelt is unbuckled.
Ah, shut up. I feel like I'm drinking. What the fuck?
For a breakdown.
Yes, how you doing? This is Devontae speaking. My employee ID is 10.
Okay.
Alright, so I had to get maintenance overnight due to the fact that my radiator,
What?
I had to get maintenance overnight due to the fact that my radiator was smoking. But they say they can't fix the problem because it's the part to the fan. So I had to take it to the dealership. And plus, some of the parts on this truck it has a recall. So I was told to get in contact with you guys to take this to the dealership.
Alright, what's your truck number? Where are you at?
I am in Kentucky at the Lowe's Travel Center.
In what city and state?
It is. I don't know, man. This is gonna be a long ass day, man.
Thank you for calling the operations team at Warner Enterprises. For training and quality assurance purposes, your call may be monitored and recorded. If you are calling about the...
Good morning, Devontae. Oh, sorry, had my mic all messed up. Good morning, Devontae. How you doing today?
Doing okay so far. Oh, can I ask who I'm speaking with?
And I just want to double check. We spoke last night. Yours was the truck where you were at the Loves and it started smoking, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So question, right? Once you send that email, would they call me? Do I get a message through the tablet? What would be the next move after that?
So they'll likely call you or send you a message with an update, but most likely give you a call. The other option I have, if we don't want to wait through that process, is I can just transfer you over there.
I mean, it won't hurt to try it again, but can you send an email regardless? Because
Yeah, I was going to do that too, just to have that paper trail. So,
all right, appreciate it.
yep, I will to me or another dispatcher. So just that way you're not going to let anything, you know.
All right, thank you.
Yep, good luck, and if you need anything else, just give us a holler.
All right, appreciate it. I finally made it to the dealership. What the hell, Johnny? That you can hear it in my voice, like, this shit aggravating. Shit got me tired.
Oh, buddy, you in the service department?
Yeah, from Werner.
Down there.
Gotcha, appreciate it.
No problem.
You're just dropping one off?
Dropping it off?
Yeah. Are you
Yes.
dropping it off? Is the radiator fan's not coming on at all?
The fan is good. They said it's a part to the fan that's not allowing it to spin fast enough to keep the radiator cool. No, they said tomorrow. Thank you. Do you need this?
No, just come in and give me the keys whenever you're done.
Alright, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Talk to y'all guys when I get back to when I get to the hotel. I'm out here. Got to the hotel room. I'm about to order some food. Yeah, I ain't even see the hotel. Shit. I done checked the seats already. It's mandatory that you do that. Yeah, it's pretty much it for real. Not too crazy. But shit, I'm gonna see what's around here. So I'll get me some food. I'm gonna check back to the bar. See what they talking about. Hopefully they give me a call to go pick up my truck. You feel me? Then once I do that, get back on the road. Go back to this wine yard. You feel me? But let me see. How y'all feel about Zaxby's? Like, for real. Are you from Kentucky? Matter of fact, anywhere from the South. Yes, they got Zaxby's. Yes, they got Zaxby's in it. How y'all feel about it? They got your butt right by the highway. But yo, then they got the heat on in this bit. me in this bit, yeah. But nah, though. How y'all feel about Zaxby's? About Horse Cave? Yeah. It's alright. I ain't even gonna hold you. I had the peach sweet tea or something like that. I'm from Jersey, so we don't even be having stuff like Zaxby's. So just want to try some new food. But you from Kentucky, Indiana, or Tennessee, any of them states? Man, I don't care what state you from. How about in the comments down below, drop what state you from, what's y'all favorite like restaurant, or any recommendations. So when I come out that way, you feel me? Try the food out there. You feel me? Yo, I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna put y'all, whoever comments, I'm gonna put y'all name, Instagram, whatever, YouTube, TikTok, whatever. I'm gonna put y'all name up there. Or Bojangles. But yo, I'm gonna talk to you later.
Got it. Thank you.
Back that way. New video about the job. Then after that, another video gonna drop. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Consistency. That's what we're preaching this year. You know what I'm saying? But yo, make sure y'all go check that out. True video dropping tonight.